If you've ever wondered whether you can enable auto-refreshing on x.com, formerly Twitter, the short answer is no, not in the standard desktop web interface. X does not currently include a built-in auto-refresh option for the regular website on PC, so you won't find a simple toggle inside the settings to make your feed refresh automatically. In this video, I'll quickly explain what that means, what you can expect instead, and the safest way to understand the limitations so you don't waste time looking for a feature that isn't there. If this kind of quick tech tip helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more short tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. When you open x.com on your browser, you can refresh the page manually by clicking the reload button in your browser or pressing the refresh shortcut on your keyboard. That will update your feed, show new posts, and reload the page, but it is still a manual action. On the standard PC version of X, there is no official auto-refresh feature built into the site itself. That means if you're waiting for live updates, trending posts, or new replies, you'll need to refresh the page yourself whenever you want the latest content to appear. Now, some users look for browser extensions, scripts, or third-party tools that claim to auto-refresh X automatically. While those can exist, they are not part of X's official interface, and you should be very careful before using them. Third-party tools may affect performance, create security risks, or violate platform rules, so it's always best to use trusted methods and understand what you're installing. If your goal is simply to keep up with live activity, a good workaround is to refresh the page manually at intervals that make sense for you. Or use the mobile app experience where content often updates more fluidly as you scroll and return to the feed. But again, on desktop web, X does not offer a native auto-refresh setting, so the main takeaway is simple. No, you cannot enable auto-refreshing directly on x.com's standard PC web interface because the feature is not built in. If you are searching through settings for it, you can stop there and save yourself the time. If you want, I can also show you safe browser-based alternatives for refreshing X feeds, or how to set up a simple manual refresh routine for live browsing. If this video helped clear things up, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.